Have you ever wondered how some businesses skyrocket their web traffic in just a few months, while others struggle for years? Today, I'm going to reveal the secrets behind these rapid transformations and how you can leverage SEO to achieve similar success for your website. Stay tuned as we delve into the strategies that can turn your online presence into a powerhouse. SEO isn't about quick fixes. It's about structured plan to boost your site's visibility. Remember when SEO was simple back in 2014? Just a basic website, some keywords, a video, and a backlink could probably get you results in just a few days. Now with the evolving complexity of search engine algorithms, achieving high rankings require a more nuanced strategy. You might ask, how long does it take for SEO changes to take effect? Well, from my personal experience, you can start seeing tangible results in about 6 months, though this can vary based on your keywords, the industry that you're competing in, and a lot of other factors. Sometimes it's a slow process, but the rewards are worth the wait. Now, here are the factors I focus on when elevating a business using SEO. These are the elements that influence how quickly you can see results from your SEO efforts. The website history certainly influences the time that it takes to see some of the SEO results. For instance, it'll take a website that you just purchased on GoDaddy a lot more time to rank than it would a site that already has an established website and has been around for, let's just say, 20 years. However, this doesn't always mean that an established website can lead the way in SEO due to the factors like search engine penalties and algorithm updates and things along those lines. Next, let's look at the competition. To dominate a search engine rankings in a highly competitive field, prolonged efforts are often required due to intensified competition. It is important to invest the time and meticulously analyze the strategies that your competitors are using. I suggest that you reverse engineer your highest ranking competitors so that you can better understand exactly what it's going to take to move up the search engine result pages and get more traffic. Make sure you look at their sitemap, their top ranking keywords, definitely their backlinks, and use this information to develop a stronger SEO strategy for your website. Many of you might not realize that high-ranking keywords are very crucial in ranking relevant user searches online. You need to identify the right keywords based on the search volume, length, popularity, and user intent. Poor keyword targeting may cost you all of your time and effort in spite of your overall dedicated efforts. Make sure you use keyword research tools such as Google Trends, SEMrush, Ahrefs for effective keyword research. When you insert relevant keywords into content, make sure they aren't stuffed, but rather they fit in natural to the flow of the content. Your website design and URL structure also plays a very crucial role in SEO. For instance, if a user finds it very complicated to navigate between different landing pages on your website, or meets dead ends like 404 errors because of maybe a broken link, your website is certainly not user-friendly, and Google won't serve up web pages that don't provide a smooth user experience. Those of you striving to improve your site's visibility must have a user-friendly website to easily navigate and enhance the chances that are favorable to the way in which Google evaluates your site. With technical SEO dialed in and the quality of content being published, it usually doesn't take long for SEO to work. Another important aspect of creating effective SEO is high-quality backlinks. I can't reinforce this. High-quality backlinks from authoritative websites in your niche are considered votes of confidence by Google because it gives your site additional authority, which can significantly boost your online rankings. One quick asterisk to this suggestion is to make sure that the links are built only from highly qualified and trusted websites that has genuine organic traffic. And you should avoid rapid linking as it can be flagged for search engines. Next, let's talk about content optimization. You may have heard that content is king, and it's true. I like to say that content is the food that Google eats. So you need to spend a lot of time and effort creating and publishing content that adds value to users visiting your website. It's not just the importance of quickly writing content to get it updated on your website, but it's about creating content that meets Google's standards and are truly satisfying the intent of what your readers are looking for. Let's just say you want to optimize content for a laptop review website. Now, it's not just about, mentioning the word laptop 16 different times on the page. You need to consider what potential buyers are actually searching for as they narrow down their choices for the laptop that will meet their needs. For example, they might be looking for best gaming laptops, maybe laptops under $500, or lightweight business laptops. Adding these phrases with complete explanations onto your page will help satisfy the user and give the correct signal to Google. To ensure your content is on target, I recommend using tools like Surfer SEO. You see, this tool helps you understand what successful laptop review sites are doing. For instance, Surfer SEO might show that top-ranking articles about best gaming laptops frequently discuss topics like battery life or display quality. By incorporating these key aspects into your reviews, you make your content more relevant and useful. So by strategically using related terms and covering essential topics, you can boost your site's authority and attract more visitors looking for laptops and advice. Google will show preferences to your website when serving up search results. Lastly, consider starting your website with an aged domain that has a high domain authority. These domains come preloaded with existing links, offering significant advantage from the start. Utilizing an aged domain can accelerate the ranking process in my experience. Here's one of the most important things you can do to get SEO working for your site and keep working on it. Don't just set it and forget it in implementing your initial SEO strategy. It's crucial to continuously monitor how well your SEO efforts are performing. Tools like Google Analytics can provide invaluable insights into how much traffic your site is attracting and where specifically that traffic is coming from. And you might face some challenges like changing in search engine algorithms or more competition. The key is to continue updating your content, staying informed about SEO trends, and just being patient. Mastering SEO can unlock remarkable growth opportunities for your website. By understanding the intricate dynamics of search engine algorithms and leveraging strategic tactics, as we're mentioning in some of these videos, you can take your website to new heights of visibility and engagement. Remember though, SEO success requires time, patience, strategy, dedication, and consistent and comprehensive approach to encompass all the different various elements from keyword optimization to backlinking and quality content. As you embark on your SEO journey, stay vigilant, adapt to evolving trends, and continuously refine your strategies to stay ahead of the competition. So with perseverance and the right strategies in place, you can transform your online presence into a powerhouse that attracts and retains a steady stream of organic traffic. So take these strategies I shared to understand the power of SEO, apply the page boosting tools, and then watch your website soar to unprecedented levels of success. So if you found this video helpful, click to watch my next tutorial video for more advanced SEO strategies. Also, make sure to subscribe for the latest updates and keep boosting your SEO knowledge.